the BB424 button box for the Mitel 485G IP phone. Its programmable buttons allow you to press one button for operations that would normally require pressing several buttons. Up to 4 BB424 devices can be connected to one Mitel 485G phone. If 2 or more BB424 are connected, a power supply is required and is available for purchase separately. Included with the BB424 is the button box and micro USB cable. Here at Atlas Phones, we have 40,000 square feet of telecom inventory and offer same-day shipping on orders placed by 5 p.m. Each of our products include a 1-year warranty, with extended warranties available for up to 5 years. Our customer service in both new and refurbished phone quality is second to none. We've been helping people in business since 1998, and we hope this video helped you too. You can give us a call today at 888-567-5194 or visit our website, atlasphones.com.